Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is the preview of my project. So let's get started. So here I'm using mixed media paper, then wilted violet spray, hickory smoke, then mermaid lagoon. These are the sprays I'll be using in this project. So first I'm going to sprinkle like drops. Then I'm going to spray water on the top. Instead of spraying directly, I'm doing like this. Then I'm spreading it out using my brush. Then again, I'm adding some colors and then sprinkle some water. Then I'm going to heat dry it. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. If you don't want to do this way, you can even do direct spray. But I like it this way because this way we can control the um, colors and water. So I'm going to add this color and then heat dry the same thing. So this is like my first layer. So I'm going to do this in second layer. I'm going to put a few drops of it and then spray some water so that it can spread little bit. And then heat dry it. Because I want a little bit darker, so I'm going to do on this side also same thing. So I want to add those, when I add those colors, I want it to be separate little bit. So all that blues and um, purple and all those, I want to make it like, seen. Then I'm going to use this stamp, which is more like a grungy stamp. I'm using archival ink and then I'm going to stamp those on the edges. This is from Amazon. I'm going to put all these things in the description box below. So I'm adding little bit of the same stamp on the edges. And today I think I'm having trouble saying the words. Then I'm using this splatter stamp. I like those dots which comes out from the splatter. Then I'm using smaller ones in that. Then I'm using a little more smaller than that. So like three different kinds. Now I'm going to use the pen and do some kind of like a doodling, because I want that blue color to come out also in this. And in meanwhile I added like um, the text stamp. Now I'm going to use white acrylic paint, and then I'm going to spray on the top or splatter on the top. Now I'm going to heat dry this. Then I'm using this template, and then I'm going to use the pen and just do the outline. Now first I did with the black pen, now I'm using white pen. This just gives like a interest in the background. So now I'm going to heat dry this. Then again I'm going to add some more stamp. These are like small stamps. Then again I'm going to heat dry those, because each time I'm going to heat dry those because I don't want it to be smudged. Then I did use this dye, and then I did the die cut using white cardstock. I'm going to add in this project. Now I'm adding some more. It's kind of like a wheel dye. I'm adding those in this. You can use molding paste if you have a stencil, but if you have a die, it's fine. If you don't have it, you can use that and um, add it in this project. Now I'm going to add this last piece. Then I'm going to add now the focal point. Then I'm going to trim the side wheel. Then now I'm going to use a stamp and add those uh, wherever I want it. I enjoyed making this project. Um, I hope you guys enjoyed also watching it. So now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm going to use this gold pen and add that a little bit here and there to give the texture. If you have a pen, it's fine. You can even use gold paint. So I'm adding those things in this. So now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm going to a little bit add here and there. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.